everyone. Okay.
Oh, is this mic on?
Good afternoon, everyone. My apologies. We will now prepare to start. Mr. Kelly, are you with us? Just give us a thumbs up when you prepared for us. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. We will now open this meeting of the Illinois Board Review for today, April 21st, 2026. We have several preliminary matters we just want to review with you before we begin calling cases. First of all, particularly for those individuals who are joining us virtually, please be advised that this is a formal hearing. Even if you are at your home sitting at your kitchen table, you are in a formal hearing. So we expect that everyone would conduct themselves accordingly. First of all, if you're driving, we will not hear your case. You must be parked in a safe place. Secondly, we ask that you not indulge in eating, drinking, sleeping, reclining in your easy chair, or coming to participate in your night clothes. This, again, is a formal hearing that's being recorded both by the Zoom system as well as the court reporter. Also, everyone who's an appellant will be given an opportunity to speak to their case. Please do not cut in or talk over anyone. In order to create a clean record, we need to be able to hear each person's voice clearly. You will be given an opportunity to speak. The law department in a few moments will come and put on the record all those matters that have been resolved, which may include moot or moot complied cases. Please listen closely. If your address or name is called and it's uh, described as moot or moot complied, you're done for the day. You can go about your day. However, this is a public hearing, so if you want to remain and hear the balance of the list, please do so. You're welcome to do that. But please do not break in to ask for a definition of moot or moot complied. If you need to understand that better, please call the office. Someone there will explain it to you. But we have a very long list today, and we want to get through everything. So we advise you not to do that. We will begin by asking someone from law department to come forward and to read into the record those matters that have been uncontested matters that have been resolved. Okay, thank you very much. Let's begin.
Good afternoon, board members. John Wazorek on behalf of the City Law Department.
Good afternoon.
First, I'm going to read matters into the record that have been marked as moot by the city.
Okay.
So first, I'm going to turn your attention to number 9 on your list, appeal ending 1739 for 1016 West Duncannon Avenue, appellant Hashan Chowdhury. That matter is moot. Number 13 on your list, appeal ending 1882 for the property located at 700 Molbourne Terrace, appellant Mary Catherine Bauer. That matter is moot.
Moot.
Number 15 on your list, appeal ending 2981 for 9100 Frankfurt Avenue, appellant Oneness Enterprises LLC. That matter is moot as it has been withdrawn by the city.
Thank you.
Turning to 18 on your list, appeal ending 3013 for 3319 Fairdale Road, appellant Angelique LeConte. That matter is moot. 19 on the list, appeal ending 3014 for the property located at 2524 East Indiana Avenue, appellant Keenan Sabini. That matter is moot. Next is 20, appeal ending 3015 for the property located at 1236 South 58th Street. Appellant is Harry Kim. That matter is moot. 22, appeal ending 3031 1257 Masher Street. Appellant Alexandra Anastasiadis. That matter is moot. Next is 25, appeal ending 3120 for the property located at 10827 Perrin Road. Appellant Chen Lei Ye. That matter is moot. 26, appeal ending 3129 for the property located at 5520 Litchfield Street, appellant Dora Pringle. That appeal has been withdrawn.
Okay, just one moment before we proceed. Just check with the administrator. Do we have a Mandarin interpreter here today?
One was ordered, but I haven't seen anyone identify themselves as the Mandarin interpreter. And sorry, this is Gabrielle Legendre, Board Administrator.
Okay. Only reason I raised that is because number 25 was noted as a Mandarin interpreter. Although it's moot, it'd be appropriate to just put that on the record in Mandarin as well. But we don't have an interpreter present.
If there's an interpreter on the call, can you make yourself known?
It doesn't appear to be.
Doesn't appear.
Okay, let's proceed. Thank you.
Did the board get 26?
Yes, that was withdrawn.
Correct. Okay. Few more. Number 29 on the board's list, appeal ending 3153 for 101 West Wyoming Avenue, appellant Mark Eisen. That is moot. 30 on the list, appeal ending 3160 for the property located at 1536 Catherine Street, appellant Orlando Moreno, doing business as Philadelphia Lymph and Bodywork LLC. That is moot. 31, appeal ending 3181 for the property located at 246 Market Street, appellant Zhao Ting Zhang. That is moot. 33 on the list, appeal ending 3194 for 5604 Woodbine Avenue, appellant Access Realty LLC. That matter is moot. 35 on the list, appeal ending 3201 for 4514 Tolbert Street, appellant Jonathan Idmudian, doing business as Plus Housing Company. That was withdrawn April 20th. 36, appeal ending 3215 for 7425 Torresdale Avenue, appellant Keith Bannister. That is moot. 37, appeal ending 3225 for the property located at 2226 East Clearfield Street, appellant Jonathan Noah DeRose. That is moot. 38, appeal ending 3228 for the property located at 4257 Romaine Street, appellant Francisco Echevarria. That is moot. 43, appeal ending 3253 for 3345 Decatur Street, appellant Mahmoud Akabed. That is moot. Turning to 46, appeal ending 3264 for 522 Alcott Street, appellant Ha Nagun. That is moot. 50 on the list, appeal ending 3286 for 321 Mannheim Street, appellant Brendan Taylor. That matter is moot. 52 on the board's list, appeal ending 3296 for the property located at 3308 Ashfield Lane, appellant Gary Seifert Jr. That is moot. And we got a few more. 55 on the list, appeal ending 3475 for the property located at 6904 Dix Avenue, appellant Dewey R. Wiseman Sr. That is moot. 56, appeal ending 3477 for 2200 South Broad Street, appellant VP Properties Management LLC. That matter is moot. 59, appeal ending 3745 for the property located at 1018 Tree Street, appellant Shane Monroe. That matter is moot. And finally, number 60 on the board's list, appeal ending 3747 for the property located at 4614 Emerson Street, appellants Robert and Florence Mason. That matter is moot. Now, in addition to the moots, if the board would be comfortable with it, I think the city would like to run through some agreements that have been entered
Yes.
into. I believe my colleagues have some as well, but I will start off. I have one settlement for matters 1 through 5.
Okay.
How would the board like me to read that into the
Well,
record?
you'll need to read each address
Okay.
as well as the appeal number, 4 digits of the appeal number, so each one separately.
For number 1, appeal ending 3774 for the property located at 1040 South Randolph Street. Appellant Daniel Grosso doing business as Grosso Concrete LLC. That matter has been settled. It should be marked as a city affirm with a $300 fine.
Thank you.
Number 2, appeal ending 3776, also for 1040 South Randolph Street. Also, appellant Daniel Grosso doing business as Grosso Concrete LLC. That matter was settled with a city affirm and a $300 fine. Number 3, appeal ending 3777 for the property located at 1216 North 28th Street. Appellant Daniel Grosso doing business as Grosso Concrete LLC. That has also been settled, city affirm with a $300 fine. Number 4, appeal ending 3803 for the property located at 919 South 11th Street. Appellant Daniel Grosso doing business as Grosso Concrete LLC. That has been settled, city affirm with a $300 fine. And finally, number 5, appeal ending 0300, also for 919 South 11th Street. Appellant Daniel Grosso doing business as Grosso Concrete LLC. That matter has been settled with a city affirm and a $300 fine.
Thank you.
And I have 2 more for the board. I'm sorry, you're probably sick of my voice.
No, continue.
Number 16 on the list, appeal ending 3281 for the property located at 9100 Frankfurt Avenue. Appellant Oneness Enterprises LLC. That was settled and can be marked as a city affirm with a $150 fine. And finally, number 34, appeal ending 3195. This is for 2055 Cemetery Avenue. Appellant William Janes. That matter can be marked as settled, city affirm with a $1,000 fine.
Thank you.
Thank you, board.
Anyone else in the room with the matter to be read into the record? Uncontested matters.
Good afternoon, Board. Madeline Everkowski on behalf of the city.
Afternoon.
I have some agreements to read in. Number 6, ending in 001705, Rizzoli LLC. That is a city affirm with a $150 fine.
What's the address?
Oh, I'm sorry, 101 Schilling Ave,
And that's city affirm with, what's the fine amount?
$150.
Okay, thank you.
Number 7, ending 001706, 101 Schilling Ave, Rizzoli LLC. That is a city affirm with a 60-day stay.
Thank you.
And then lastly, number 8, ending 001707, 101 Schilling Ave, Rizzoli LLC. That is a city affirm with a $150 fine.
150, thank you.
And I believe that's all the settlements I have at the moment.
Thank you. Anyone else in the room with the matter to be read into the record?
Good afternoon, Board. Michelle Reinhardt for the City of Philadelphia.
Good afternoon.
I have 2 settlements. The first is number 10 on the list.
Okay.
Appeal ending 001741 regarding 2500 East Tioga. Appellant Richmond Square Associates LP. They were represented by Andrew Miller. We reached a settlement to mark the violation city affirmed with a 90-day stay.
Thank you.
And the next one is number 14 on the list. Appeal ending 001944 regarding 6503 Woodland Avenue. Appellant Safani Fayan, DBA RSCS Group LLC. They were represented by attorney Jermaine Harris.
Jermaine Harris.
Yes.
All right.
I have on my list 6508 Woodland Avenue. I think you read 6503.
I have 6503.
Okay, just for a moment. Can we confirm that?
The notice of intent to cease has the location of violation listed as 6508 Woodland Avenue.
That must be a printing error on my list. I
Okay.
apologize. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. It is 6508.
Okay, that
Woodland
doesn't
Avenue.
change the outcome of the settlement, correct?
It does not.
Okay,
This was an intent to cease. The intent to cease has been closed. That particular violation for lack of a food license was closed. Remaining violations are marked city affirmed with a 90-day stay.
90-day stay. Thank you.
And that concludes my settlements.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else in the room?
Good afternoon, board members. This is
Good
Mari Aquino on behalf of the city.
Good afternoon.
I have one agreement to read into the record.
Okay,
That's number 11 on today's list, appeal ending 1863 regarding 2401 East York Street, appellant Carol Anderson. That was settled for a city affirm and a 6-month stay of enforcement.
6 month stay of enforcement.
Yes,
Okay,
that's it.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anyone else in the room with the matter to be read into the record? Anyone virtual from the law department that has a matter, uncontested matter to be read into the record? Anyone, please use the raise hand. We have someone else in the room. Please have a seat.
Good afternoon, board. Number 40.
Name,
Oh, sorry. Madeline Eprakowski on behalf of the city.
okay.
Number 49 on the list, 003279, 8905 Sylvania Lane, Joseph Burke and Mi-Ling Chen. Council and parties were here. They just executed an agreement for a city affirm with a 90-day stay.
City affirmed 90-day stay?
Yes,
Okay. Thank you very much.
thank you.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay.
Michelle Reinhardt for the City of Philadelphia. I'm just reading in number 45, appeal ending 003263. This is regarding 5253 North 10th Street, appellant Sandra Hill. The appellant made a continuance request. It was unopposed by the city and administratively already
Okay.
rescheduled.
So that matter at 5253 North 10th should be noted as continued. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Anyone else? Okay, I don't see anyone with the raised hand sign virtually, so just want to quickly review a few matters that the board itself has. I'll be needing a response from the attorney representing the city. Let's see here, number 24, 3071, 1325 North 18th Street. Rahul Raza, DBA Raza Dozy Properties LLC. Who's representing the city?
This is Mari Aquino on behalf of the city.
From our notes, it appears that this is a corporate entity.
That's
And
correct.
so we don't note that there's any legal counsel representing the appellant. Does that comport with your notes?
That's the city's understanding as well.
Okay, so is anyone here representing Razdozi Properties LLC, 1325 North 18th Street? Anyone present? Anyone present representing the interests of 1325 North 18th Street? Okay, no one has responded. Please confirm service.
Appellants in this matter listed 2928 Hillside Road in Broomall, PA on the appeal application. Notice of today's hearing was sent to that same mailing address on March 18th, 2026 with a 12:30 start time.
Okay, thank you very much. No response. Service has been confirmed. What's the city's pleasure?
City would request the appeal be dismissed for failure to appear.
Thank you. What time do we have, Ms. Pincus?
1:10 PM.
1:10 PM. We will poll the board regarding HA 2025-003071, 1325 North 18th Street, Rahul Raza, DBA Raza Dozy Properties LLC. This matter is dismissed for failure to appear.
Dismiss 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 failure to appear.
Thank you very much. The next matter is 3262-5239 Arch Street, Amnon Morris. Who's representing that matter?
That's Maria Aquino on behalf of the city.
Okay, Mr. Aquino, the same issue here is that it appears that this is a corporate entity, maybe Risk-Free Living Investments, LLC, and I believe legal counsel will be required. Is that comport with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Is anyone present representing the interests of 5239 Arch Street, AMNON Morris, or Risk-Free Living Investments, Investor LLC? Anyone present? Anyone present representing the interests of 5239 Arch Street? I see a raised hand from a telephone. Let's unmute that individual and see who we have.
Okay, I am here.
you are, sir?
Eamon Morris is here.
Oh, your name,
Eamon
sir?
Terry Morris.
Okay,
Eamon
can you-
Morris.
Would you turn on your video, please?
I am on a computer that doesn't have a camera. I'm on a desktop computer.
Yes.
Can
And
you
you
hear
don't
me?
have a camera.
No, I do not. It's a desktop. I don't have a camera on it. But I am the owner of Risk-Free Living LLC, and I am here to represent myself.
Okay, sir, based on our requirements, you must have an attorney representing your interests. Do you have an attorney representing you today?
I was not aware of this. This is a single sole member LLC. That's just me. So why would I need an attorney to represent myself?
Because the violation that you receive instructs you that if you're a corporate entity, you must have an attorney. Did you read that portion?
I did not see that under violation.
Okay, go back and take a
this
look
is
at
a-
it. You were required to have an attorney, so we're going to continue your matter today for give you opportunity to secure the services of an attorney. Okay? And also, if you do return
Okay.
with an attorney, please use a device that permits you to turn on your video.
Okay, we're required to have video for this?
Yes.
Or you may appear in person. This
Yeah,
is
or you can appear in person. There's in-person hearings as well.
Matthew Webster, Board Counsel.
Yep. So please do that, sir. We need to see your face.
Okay, all right.
Thank you very much. So for the record, 3262-5239 Arch Street, Amnon Morris, Risk-Free Living Investors LLC is continued. Thank you.
Would I get a notice of this continuance in the mail?
Yes.
I have another matter
Okay.
that requires counsel.
Yes. Which one is
That's
that?
number 17 on today's list, appeal ending 3004 regarding 2412 West Passyunk Avenue. So the violation was issued to a partnership and
Okay.
the property is owned by a partnership.
Okay. So the appellant is Joseph A. Ciro, C-I-R-O? The
Yes.
appellant for the record.
Yes.
Okay. Is anyone here present representing the interests of 2412-14 West Passyunk Avenue? Anyone present? A Joseph A. Ciro, C-I-R-O. Anyone present?
Yes. Yes, I am.
And you are, sir?
Joseph Ciro. I'm sorry, it's not a partnership. It's actually individually owned by me and my brother.
Okay. Would you turn on your video, sir?
Okay. Just hit FaceTime, I guess. I never did this before. I'm on my phone. Does it hit FaceTime?
It looks like you've called in on the phone function, which does not permit video.
But if you
Oh,
use
okay.
the video link, it will give you that option for Facebook, for YouTube or,
For video streaming,
yeah, video streaming.
there are two different links. So then if you log in using the correct link, you may use video.
Okay. What is the city's position in this matter?
The deed lists a partnership as the owner. I can pull that up for the board to review.
Okay, no, that's okay, but it lists partnership, doesn't it? That's how it's titled as a partnership?
Yes.
Okay, sir, according to your deed, it's titled as a partnership.
Well, apparently not, because I don't have like a partnership number. I went through this before. It's actually individually owned, but we really don't have per se a LLC or corporate or a partnership. It's just each individually owned.
Is your partner here today?
No, he's not.
Okay,
My brother.
let's do this. Pull the deed up, if you would.
Yes, just a moment.
Sir, you can't see us, correct?
Correct.
Do you have are you using a smartphone?
Yes. I'm not too
What
well
you can
versed.
do, well, let's do this. Let's do this. This may be helpful for everyone. If you would hang up, go back to the meeting notice and click on the link for video streaming. Then you will be able to turn on your video and see what we see. And we'll call your matter back in a minute as soon as you do that, okay?
Okay, it's a Zoom meeting. Hit that Zoom web.
Yes,
Oh,
it's a
okay.
Zoom meeting.
Okay.
So we will pass your matter for the moment, give you an opportunity to sign in again, and then we will call it, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, just for the record, I want to make sure that we haven't missed anything. Yep, okay. Number 58, which is 3521-1633 Ridge Avenue, Sylvester Okolo, DBA Dreamline Developers LLC. Who's representing the city?
I can represent the city on that one, board. I believe that matter has been settled and can be marked as a city affirm with a $150 fine.
Oh, great, okay. City affirm, $150 fine?
Correct.
Okay. Yes, number 58.
That is the appeal that is number 58 on the list. The board, I wanted to raise, since we're doing cases that may need an attorney, I have number 54 on the list.
Okay.
Appeal ending 3451.
Yes.
For 1719 East Passyunk Avenue, appellant Sermania Jewelry LLC.
Yes.
I have that down as an LLC.
Okay, is anyone present representing the interests of 1719 East Passyunk Avenue?
Yes, I'm here.
Sure. Okay, sir, if you remove your hat, please, you're in court.
It's not a hat.
Oh, it appeared to be, my apologies. Okay, all righty. Sir, the appellant here is an LLC. Do you have an attorney representing you today?
I do not, because the fine has been paid today.
Oh, so that's should be noted as moot, I guess.
Well,
Yeah, it may not have been recorded yet, so let's hear from the city law department. What's your response?
My response is give me 5 seconds.
Okay, just hold on a second.
We're withdrawing.
Yes, that the city has it as paid, and would be fine with that matter being marked as moot.
It's moot? Okay. All right, sir, thank you very much for participating. This matter is moot, and your
All right,
matter is resolved. Thank you.
Okay. Is that it?
Yes. What, just one minute.
All right, thank you.
Okay. All right, anything else?
I have number 51 on the board's list.
Okay.
Appeal ending 3291 for 414 Green Street. Appellant Russian United Beneficial Association doing business as Ruba Club.
Okay.
I had an appellant continuance request. The city did not oppose, and I believe that's been administratively continued.
Okay, we would note that matter is continued.
Thank you very much, board members.
Okay, anyone else in the room or virtually from the law department with a matter that needs to be read into the record? If not, we will now go to the list itself and call our cases.
Really quick, I have two more administrative continuances
Okay.
to read on, and
Yeah.
then I will go back to the list. Number 23 on today's list, appeal ending 3032 for 1257 Masher Street.
Okay.
Appellant Alexandra Anna, I'm going to spell the last name, Athanasiadis. That was administratively continued.
Continue. Thank you.
And number 27 on the list, appeal ending 3147 for 823 Fitzwater Street. Appellant Vipinjet Sandhu and Jamie Lynn Richardson. That was administratively continued.
Continue. Also, number 21, 1434 South Patton Street. What is it? How was that one noted?
I had it listed as receiving a settlement agreement from the city in my email, but I would
Okay.
defer to the city for that.
Anyone present? Yes.
Madeline Nabrikowski on behalf of the city for my colleague Sean Logue. This is a city affirm with a $150 fine.
So it's a settlement, city affirm, $150 fine. Thank you. Okay, have we gotten anyone back yet?
I
From,
have one
Patrick Avenue?
more. Oh,
Yeah, one more? Okay.
yeah, I believe also from Sean, number 47 on today's list, appeal ending 3269 for 5000 Ridge Ave. James Keating, doing business as Daniel J. Keating Company.
Madeline Nabrikowski on behalf of the city for my colleague Sean Logue. This is also a city affirm with a $150 fine.
City affirm, $150 fine. Thank you very much. Before you go anywhere then.
Yeah, I'll see if there's.
Are you also handling 32?
I can. Madeline Nabrikowski on behalf of the city covering for Sean Logue. This is also a city affirm with a $150 fine. And that
Okay.
was number 32, 5006 Master Street.
Okay, let's just read it formally in so we have the whole reference. HA 2025-003-193-500 006 Master Street, Metro Real Estate Investment LLC, and that is a settlement.
For a city affirm with a $150 fine.
Thank you. Okay, I believe we have everything.
Yes, that's
Okay.
everything I had marked too.
So, okay, all right. Thank you. All right, let's go back to the list then and see how far we can get.
I'm going to move us to numbers 41 and
Just 1 minute,
Yep.
just 1 minute. Number 17? Oh, yes, has he returned?
Mr. Ciro, are you presently on the call with video? Oh, I do see you now. Yep.
Oh, okay, I see Mr. Ciro. And who was representing the city?
This is Maria Aquino on behalf of the city.
Okay, thank you very much. This is regarding 3004-2412-14 West Passyunk Avenue, Joseph A. Cyril. Sir, if you're present, would you raise your right hand to be sworn? Joseph Cyril. Can you hear us, Mr. Cyril? We can't hear you. You're muted at the moment, so unmute, and you may need to speak directly into your speaker and turn the volume up. Mr. Cyril, we can't hear you, so if you turn your volume, you keep muting, unmute yourself and turn your volume up. Also, if you would focus your device on your face so we can see you. Yes. Can you hear us? Give us a thumbs up if you can hear us. That means he can hear us. Anything we can do to help him? Okay, Unfortunately, Mr. Cyril, we're going to have to, we can't hear your argument. And at the moment, we would only be able to hear from the city. So I think the only real option, and I'll hear from the city in a moment, would be to continue this. You can come in and have a hearing in person, and/or you can, figure out how to get your device going and rescheduled. Either way, I think we're going to have to continue today's hearing because we can't hear from you. Let's do this. Mr. Aquino, it would be helpful if you and Mr. Cyril could have a conversation. Mr. Cyril, if you would call the city, the lawyer, and talk to her regarding the status of the ownership. And so legally that can be resolved before you show up.
I have Mr. Cyril's phone number on the appeal application.
Yep.
I will
Call.
give him a call.
Yeah, she will call you so that she can talk to you about how she's interpreting the deed and own status of ownership. Okay? Can you give me a thumbs up indicating that you heard me? You frozen. Now he's frozen. Would you lower the phone a little bit, sir? Because we can't see your thumbs up. I think he's frozen. He's frozen. Okay, for the record, this matter at HA 2025-003-004-2412-14 West Passyunk Avenue, Joseph A. Cyril has been continued to put a conversation between himself and the attorney, potentially resolving the matter and/or scheduling an in-person hearing. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm going to go give him a call now.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's go to the regular hearing list then.
I'm going to move us to numbers 41 and 42 concerning the same appellant, but I'll start with 41, which is appeal ending 3251 for 2223 South 63rd Street, appellant Julia Martinez,
Okay.
who is in the room.
Oh, okay. Julia Martinez, please come have a seat. Who's representing the city?
Good afternoon, Michelle Reinhardt for the City of Philadelphia.
Okay.
I am going to make the request if we can speak in the hallway. We haven't had the opportunity yet today, and wanted to make sure. No, that's fine. We wanted to make sure we had the administrative questions out of the way first.
Okay. Ms. Martinez, would you raise your right hand, please, to be sworn? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth so help you God? You have to speak.
Yeah, sorry, yes.
Yes? Okay. The city attorney, as you've heard, has asked to have a meeting with you to discuss the matter, and there may be a resolution. I don't know, but are you available and willing to have a conversation? Okay, so we will continue this hearing until you've had a conversation. We'll call you back potentially. Okay?
Thanks.
You're welcome. No, you can't speak from the galley. You have to talk to her.
So I'll move us back to the top of the list then until they come back in the room. We'll go to number 12. Appeal ending 1871. Oh, unless, I'm sorry, Michelle. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Oh,
Okay,
let me ask you, Miss, are you handling all the balance of the cases? Let's skip all of your cases until you come.
I'm not, but that one is Miss Aquino, who just stepped into the hallway to call, I think, Mr. Ciro.
Okay, so let's see who else.
Let's potentially number 28 on the list, 3150.
That is Miss Aquino.
Miss Aquino, okay, I'm sorry. Then we would move to 39 on the list.
That is Miss Aquino.
Well, let's do it this way. Please come forward. Tell us which case is yours, and we'll start with you. How's that? Okay.
Okay, I have the first one that I have on the list is number 48.
Okay, that's a good way to. That's a good place to start.
All right. That would be appeal ending 3276 for 3455 Arbor Street, appellant Ismael Perez.
Okay, is Mr. Perez present? Ismael Perez, Ismael Perez, Perez, regarding 3455 Arbor Street. Anyone present? Representing the interest of 3455 Arbor Street. Okay. I think we need to put your name on the record.
Madeline Eperkowski on behalf of the city.
Okay, let's confirm service. No one is responding.
Appellants in this matter listed 3455 Arbor Street on their appeal application. Notice of today's hearing was sent to that same mailing address on March 18th, 2026, with a 12:30 start time.
Okay, thank you. There's no response. What is your pleasure?
The city asked that this matter be dismissed for failure to appear.
Okay, what time do we have?
1:31 PM.
1:31 PM. Thank you. We will pull the board regarding HA 2025-003-276-3455 Arbor Street, Ismael, Ismael Perez. This matter is dismissed for failure to appear.
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 Dismiss failure to appear. Dismiss for failure to appear.
Dismissed failure to appear.
Thank you. Do you have any additional matters?
I also have 53 on the list.
53?
Madeline Eperkowski on behalf of the city.
Okay, let's read that in.
This is appeal ending 3323 for 1911 East Seltzer Street, appellant Jeanette Matoni.
Okay, Jeanette Mattioni, are you present? Jeanette Mattioni, are you present? Anyone present representing the interests of 1911 East Seltzer Street? 1911 East Seltzer Street. Anyone present? Let's confirm service.
Appellants in this matter listed 1251 East Fletcher Street, Philadelphia, PA on the appeal application. Notice of today's hearing was sent to that same mailing address on March 18th, 2026.
Okay, thank you. What is your pleasure?
The city asked that this matter be dismissed for failure to appear.
Okay, what time do we have?
1:32 PM.
1:32 PM. We will poll the board regarding HA 2025-003323, 1911 East Seltzer Street, Jeanette Mattioni. This matter is dismissed for failure to appear.
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 Dismiss for failure to appear. Dismiss for failure to appear.
Dismissed failure to appear.
Thank you very much. Your next matter?
That's all I have. That concludes my business.
Okay, come forward. Okay, just put your name on the record and tell us which matter you're representing today.
Good afternoon again, board members. John Wazork for the city. The only matter I have open is number 40 on your list.
40?
Appeal ending 3246 for 500 Rittner Street, appellant Irene Lamb.
Okay, is Irene Lamb present? Irene Lamb, are you present?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Hello?
Just one moment. Okay. I see, oh, two people. Okay. All righty.
Oh, that's my husband.
Okay, we'll rename the screen so that it shows your name.
Yeah.
And again, Ms. Lamb, would you raise your right hand to be sworn, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Okay, thank you. Before we begin, just wanted to ask, what is your relationship to 500 Rittner Street?
I'm the owner of the property.
Anyone, any other names on the deed other than yours?
No.
No? Okay. What I would also ask you then is that during the hearing, only one person should be speaking. You aren't permitted to consult with the other individual whose image is on the screen. He can't be whispering in your ear, giving you direction as to how to respond to questions, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Now, we will begin. You have any witnesses?
Inspector Brandon Banks.
Okay. Mr. Banks, would you raise your right hand to be sworn? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth so help you God?
I swear.
All right, thank you. You can place your hand down. Okay, Ms. Lamb, do you have any witnesses today that you want to call?
No.
Okay. All right, thank you. Let's begin.
Good afternoon, board members. We can try to keep this on the shorter side. Today's case involves an intent to cease issued by the department that was issued in August of 2025. That intent to cease was based on a violation notice that was issued in April of 2025. Therefore, the city's position is that the violation notice itself was never appealed and the violations are accepted as true and valid. And so the issue for today's appeal is whether a cease is appropriate at this business and at this location.
So what was appealed?
So what was appealed was the intent to cease.
Oh, okay. Not the underlying violation.
The underlying violations were issued in April, and as Inspector Banks will be able to testify, those violations were not appealed.
Okay. April of 2025,
Correct.
not appealed. Okay. And so the appeal is of the cease itself.
Correct.
Okay. Alrighty, let's proceed.
Inspector Banks, please state your full name for the record.
Brandon Banks, BANKS,
Who is your employer?
City of Philadelphia, license and inspection.
How long have you been with the Department of Licenses and Inspections?
Going on 3 years.
What is your current role within the department?
I'm a court inspector for the litigation support unit.
Inspector Banks, what does L&I use to store their records?
Our Eclipse board, posse system.
What is the Eclipse posse system?
It's where all the city records are kept.
And those are kept in the ordinary course of business, correct?
Yes, sir.
Inspector Banks, are you familiar with the property at 500 Rittner Street?
Yes, sir.
Have you reviewed the Eclipse files related to that property?
Yes.
Moving forward, board permission to share my screen, please.
Okay, please.
Inspector Banks, are you aware of the notice of violation that we were discussing earlier?
Yes, sir.
Would you recognize that document if you saw it?
Yes, I would.
Turning to City Exhibit A, Inspector Banks, is this the violation notice in question?
Yes, it is.
And is this stored in Eclipse?
Yes, it is.
When was this notice issued?
This was issued April the 2nd, 2025,
And who was it issued to?
to a lamb. Irene.
And can you just speak generally about the violations that the property owner was cited for?
Yes, for a construction permit to be issued, for a fire alarm system to be installed, which is required for the property.
What is the use of the property?
It's a mixed-use property, business on the first floor, residential above.
And is that required to have a fire alarm system?
Yes, it is.
Do you know if that property had a fire alarm system?
Not at the time of the initial inspection.
Inspector Banks, are you aware of an intent to cease issued for this location?
Yes, I am.
Would you recognize that intent to cease if you saw it?
Yes, I do.
Turning to City Exhibit B, Inspector Banks, is this the intent to cease we were discussing?
Yes, it is.
And when was it issued?
August 18th of 2025.
And what was the reason that the department wanted to seize this property?
There was a business being operated on the first floor unit with residential above without any fire alarm system.
And again, what is the danger of not having that fire alarm system in a mixed-use property?
In case of emergency, there would be no notification to the residents above.
Inspector Banks, did you review any photographs in Eclipse?
Yes.
Would you recognize those photographs if you saw them?
Yes.
And just for the board's pleasure, Inspector Banks, is this photograph in Eclipse?
Yes.
And is this just from your inspection, is this the front of the property?
Yes, it is. Corner property.
And turning to Exhibit D, Inspector Banks, did you take this picture?
I'm sorry, the date?
April 10th, 2026?
Yes, I did.
And again, this is just the front of the property.
Yes, it is.
In your review of the Eclipse system, have they obtained a building permit to put in a fire alarm system?
No.
So as far as the department's aware, there's still no fire alarm system at this property?
That's correct.
No further questions for Inspector Banks.
Thank you. Ms. Lamb, do you have any questions of Inspector Banks based on his testimony?
Excuse me, I've been working with my contractor. He has been applying.
Ms. Lamb,
Yes.
you can give testimony in a moment, but what we're asking you now is do you have any questions of Inspector Banks based on his testimony? If you don't, that's fine, we'll move on. but do you have any questions for him?
No.
Okay, thank you. Any additional witnesses?
No additional witnesses, just ask that my exhibits be moved into evidence.
So moved. Before we move on, anyone else have any questions for Inspector Banks? Okay, all righty. Let's now, Ms. Lamb, the city has completed its presentation. What would you like to share with us?
Okay, I've been working with my contractor and he's been applying for the building permit to install the fire alarm system. And I've been working with the Fidelity Fire Alarm Company. So right now, they trying to get the permit and the zoning in order for us to install the fire alarm system.
Okay. Thank you. Any cross-examination?
No cross-examination.
Anyone else have any questions of Ms. Lamb?
Ms. Lamb?
Yes.
The violation notice was issued in April of 2025. We're now beyond a year. We're actually it's a year, a little over a year, and it's been taking that long to get the permit and do the work that's required? You've had a year to do this.
What happened was I hired one guy, but he lied to me. I gave him the money and then he never did the job. He came and telling me time after time that he's going to do it, and then he never did. So when the next inspector came in to do the inspection again, and I told him about it, I called him. He said he's working on it, so I had to get rid of him and found another company, which is Fidelity Fire Alarm System, to do the job for me. But when they did the application, they said I need a building permit to do it. So now I have to hire a licensed contractor, to apply for the building permit in order for the Fidelity Fire Alarm System to install the fire alarm. So right now I'm waiting for the zoning board to, to hear from them to get approved before they could put the fire alarm system into my building.
So, Ms. Lamb, if I'm hearing you, you said something about a zoning permit. And maybe counsel for the city knows something about this. Does that mean that the use that you've rented the property for has not been approved, is not permitted?
It was approved 25 years ago when I bought the building, but the guy never come back to get the permit. He got the license to do the construction work, which is like painting and.
Oh, wait, the permit was issued 25 years ago.
Yeah.
But it was not used when you bought it, was it vacant?
It was vacant, yes. And then I did some work to it to turn it into a nail salon.
But you never got a permit for that use?
Yes. I got, the contractor never went back to get a permit, so now it backtracked on me.
Okay.
That's why it takes the Fidelity Fire Alarm System to take forever to do it without the approval.
Now let's go back to the fact that your violation notice was issued in April. When did someone apply for first of all, I guess the business shouldn't be operating without the proper zoning permit. And when was application made for the zoning permit?
He did it, let me see. About 6 months ago.
Do you have a hearing date?
We are waiting. We are still waiting for the city.
You made application for the zoning permit.
Yes.
And it probably would be refused and you'd
Yes, it was refused. Yes.
And did you appeal the refusal?
Yes, he did.
So you must have a hearing date on the zoning permit application.
Okay. We've been waiting for the zoning to get back to us. I've been waiting. Me and the lawyer. I'm working with the lawyer right now. So we've been waiting for the time to get back from the zoning permit to I don't know.
Ms. Lamb,
Yes.
do you have the zoning permit number in front of you? The ZP number?
The commercial building, they say not approved. Let me see.
I can provide that if the board would like the
Yes.
number.
We have the city's lawyer has it. What would you like to?
So there is a variance hearing scheduled for August 9th of 2026. The
Uh.
zoning permit is ZP-2026-000687, which again needs a variance from the zoning board of adjustment.
And what's the current permitted use according to the record?
So my understanding of the record is that the current permitted use is, I believe it's actually residential. The overlay is residential.
Yes.
I believe again that previously there was a zoning permit 2 decades ago that switched it to residential on the second floor, the commercial on the first floor.
Okay.
I don't believe that use was ever established through a certificate of occupancy or anything, which is why we're running into trouble now.
Okay.
And also, per the current zoning permit application, the use is residential on the second floor, commercial on the first floor, but also a studio apartment on the first floor.
Okay.
Additionally, so now two family instead of the previous one family mixed use.
Okay. Okay. So nevertheless, they have to get through zoning and get a variance before other things can be put in place.
Yes, as per the notice of violations, they needed a building permit to put the fire alarm system in at all.
Yes.
But they cannot get that building permit without the proper zoning, which is why now they have to get the variance, then get a building permit, and then.
And is there any record of building permits for the other work that was done to create the nail salon?
I would not be able to answer that question right now.
Yeah, she did.
So I do have the record for the nail salon that I applied like 20 years ago when I
Okay.
first got the building. But I don't,
How long has your nail salon operated there?
20 year now.
20 years?
Yes.
Okay. All right, thank you. Yeah. Okay, anything else, ma'am, you'd like to share with us?
So can you help me? Where do I go from here? I've been waiting for the city to, respond, and
Okay.
I'm just waiting to go to court.
Couple things. You need to consult your attorney. We can't give you advice. What you're doing today is you're having a hearing based on the appeal that you submitted. You submitted an appeal, so we're holding this hearing today to determine the outcome of that appeal. And so today, we will make a decision as to whether the cease operations appeal that you submitted will be affirmed or denied. That's where we are today, but you really should consult your attorney for any additional information. Okay?
Okay.
Well, just one moment.
Slam, is there anyone living in the studio and the apartment above the nail salon?
Right now, somebody's living upstairs.
Thank you.
Ms. Lamb, did you say that the nail salon has been there for 20 years?
Yes.
And have you had an operating fire alarm system during that 20-year period?
No, I have the, what's that?
Okay,
What's that
you've
called?
answered it. No, the answer is no. Okay,
No.
thank you. All right, Ms. Lamb, anything else you want to share with us? Then we'll have a final argument from the city.
No, no,
Okay.
sir.
All right, any closing argument?
Just very, very briefly, the city is certainly sympathetic to Ms. Lamb's efforts, and we understand that it can take time to do those things that are necessary to legalize the property. However, as Board Member Pincus pointed out, it's already been a year since this notice first was issued. There is still a long time to go before this is going to be complied, and due to the very obvious safety concerns related to this mixed-use property, with, as Ms. Lamb admitted, someone living above this business, due to those safety concerns, that is why the city has to proceed with this intent to cease today and would like to cease the property.
Okay, thank you very much. We will now pull the board regarding HA 2025-003246, 500 Rittner Street, Irene Lamb, city affirmed.
City affirmed.
City affirmed.
City affirmed.
City affirmed.
City affirmed.
Thank you. Ms. Lamb, the unanimous vote is city affirmed, which means you lost your appeal. You may appeal our decision. If you need information as to how to do that, please contact the office and the administrator will tell you what is required to appeal a decision of this board. Thank you very much for your participation. Have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, board members.
Witnesses are excused. Okay, what's our next matter?
Move back. I believe number 12 on the list.
12?
Yep. Appeal ending 1871 for 2519 Snyder Ave, appellant Anton Saloum, Saloum, Saloum.
Two balloons on the screen. Two.
Good afternoon. This is Maria Aquino on behalf of the city.
Okay, good afternoon. Mr. Kano, is there Antoine Salom? Are you present?
Yes, I am.
Okay, sir, would you pronounce your last name for us, please?
Saloom.
Saloom? Okay, thank you very much. Please raise your right hand so that you may be sworn. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to help you God?
I do.
Thank you. You can place your hand down. Before we begin, Mr. Saloom, what is your relationship to 2519 Snyder Avenue?
Owner
Maybe-
of the property, along with my brother. And I think Armand is probably muted, also waiting, because when at the first hearing, I was told that both would have to be present, although it's
Okay.
privately owned. So I made sure that he can be on. Hopefully his phone didn't die, but he was parked on the side waiting for the hearing.
Okay. Yes, I do see an Armand Saloom. Sir, please unmute. Please unmute.
I'm here.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now. Would you raise your right hand to be sworn, sir? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, you will have to decide between the two of you who will do the speaking so that we can have a clear testimony. Who will be the spokesperson today?
I will speak.
Okay. So that's your name. Give us your full name.
Antoine Saloom.
Okay. Mr. Saloom, just for the record, who are the owners on the deed for the property?
Myself and Armand.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, all right. Representing the city, do we have any witnesses?
Yes, Inspector Brandon Banks.
Inspector Banks, raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to help you God?
I swear.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's begin.
Sure. While I'm pulling up the exhibits, this case concerns an SVN issued to a commercial property for trash and debris in the exterior area. Sorry, just a moment. I've shared my screen. Okay. Inspector Banks, could you please state your position with the city for the record?
Yes, I'm a court inspector for litigation support unit
And what are your responsibilities in that role?
to handle pre and post court inspections for the court unit.
Are you familiar with the property located at 2519 Snyder Avenue?
Yes, I am.
And did L&I perform an inspection at this property on April 16th, 2025?
Yes.
And did L&I issue a site violation notice as a result of that?
Yes.
Displaying what's been marked City Exhibit A.
Would you mind making it a bit larger, please?
Is that
okay?
legible?
Thank you.
Okay. Inspector Banks, Could you please identify the document that's displayed?
Yes, this is a site violation notice.
And it was issued to whom?
Armand and Anton Salom,
And on what date was this SVN issued?
April 16th, 2025.
Could you please describe the violation that's cited on the notice?
Yes, this was a violation for exterior area sanitation, which is trash and debris at the exterior of the property.
And could you please just briefly explain what a site violation notice is and how it might differ from another kind of violation notice?
It's an on-site notice that's given right away, normally with a fine attached, versus a case file that we work every 35 days to come up with some compliance.
So site violation notice, it does not offer an opportunity to correct, is that right?
That's true.
So it's akin to a ticket?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's a photo that's included on the site violation notice. Were other photographs taken at that 4/16/2025 inspection?
Yes.
Okay, just briefly displaying City Exhibit B. That's the photograph that's included on the site violation notice. Inspector Banks, this is 2519 Snyder Avenue, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And moving on now to Exhibit C, do you recognize these photographs?
Yes, I do.
And these are the other photographs that were taken at that initial inspection, correct?
Yes.
Could you please describe what's depicted in this image?
Trash and debris.
Okay, and that's on the exterior of, so there's a fence that's shown in the photograph, correct?
Correct.
And this debris is shown in the exterior area, right outside that fence, correct?
Correct.
Moving on to, Inspector Banks, could you please briefly explain what's photographed in this?
Another picture of trash at the property, at the exterior of the property.
Okay. Inspector Banks, the appellant submitted an appeal application, and in that application listed a reason for taking the appeal. Could you please read the portion that's highlighted in yellow?
Yes. States that we are asking for this appeal to have the city do its share of the maintenance and take responsibility for their part in this issue.
Okay. Thank you. That's it for now from the city.
All right, Mr. Salom, do you have any questions for Mr. Banks based on his testimony?
Yes. Based on that, I'm curious if there were any other businesses that were cited in the neighborhood, and if this policy is being administered throughout the city. That would be the first question.
Well, the question should be related to the appeal itself and to Mr. Banks's testimony. So,
Okay.
Mr. Banks, the question is, were any other businesses in the area cited?
I'm aware of that answer at this time.
Not aware. Okay. Any additional questions, sir? Mr. Salom?
Yes. Yes. This is technically also, this street here is called Point Breeze.
No, Mr.
And,
Salom, wait.
yes. Yeah.
Mr. Salom, you can give testimony in a moment, but for
Okay.
now, what we're asking you is if you have any
Right.
questions. So if you have any
Yeah.
additional questions?
Yes. So he said that nothing, he can't say if there are any other businesses that were cited for this. Is there any other location? And the first exhibit, I believe you guys showed as Exhibit B. I guess the intent of that one is to show that that's the property, correct? Exhibit B?
Part of the
There was,
property.
because there was no,
Yes,
there was
wait.
no.
You asked him a question, let him respond.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes, part of the property.
Okay?
Okay, so at that location or any other part of this property, was there any trash visible other than Exhibit C and Exhibit D? Exhibit C, Picture 8, that's page 8 for the city. That one is on the
Well, let
Snyder
him answer
Avenue
the
side.
question. Let him answer
Yeah.
the question.
I was only able to review the pictures that the initial inspector took upon his inspection on April 16th.
Okay, so for page 7, Exhibit C, the picture that's up currently, Can you tell us the name of the street, which side of the property that's on?
That's the rear of the property.
And the name of the street?
I'm unaware of that street, right? At this
Okay.
moment.
Okay. Next question, picture 8, Exhibit C. Which street is this picture on?
I believe that's the front of the property on Snyder.
Okay, that's correct. That's very close to 26th and Snyder. So, and then the previous picture, that's Point Breeze, and that's also close to
Mr. Salom,
26th.
again, you're testifying. I'm asking you just to restrict your comments to questions
Okay.
now, and in a
right.
moment you can put on your whole case. Okay?
I'm sorry. Yes, very good.
Any additional questions?
No additional questions.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay. The city, Ms. Guino, do you have any additional witnesses?
No additional witnesses. Just a quick clarifying question.
Okay.
Inspector Banks, you did review the Atlas records for this property, correct?
Yes, I did.
So there's a portion of the property that's on Snyder Avenue, correct?
Correct.
And the rear portion of the property is on Paschunk?
The rear, yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Mr. Salom, this is your opportunity now to put on your case. Tell us what you want us to know about this matter.
Okay, the prosecutor just mentioned that the backside is on Passyunk, which is actually incorrect. The backside is actually Point Breeze.
Okay.
And for those that are not aware of the neighborhood, first to give you a little information, if I may, about me and the properties and how long
Well,
we've been in this location. Just
okay. Let's
if I may.
wait.
Yeah,
Wait.
go ahead. Go ahead.
What we'd like you to do is to put on your argument regarding the appeal that you submitted, directly regarding the SVN that you received for trash. And so that's what's really important to us.
Okay.
So if you could do that, that would be helpful because we have a long list of cases.
Well, that's where I'm going with this. We did submit some pictures, and I'm not sure if you have them present. We did email, my office did email some images of how poor and how bad that street can be trashed, full of
Do you
trash
want
and
to-
dumping.
Would you like to share a screen and show us the images you're referencing?
Yeah, I could probably, let's see here. I can pull up I have some pictures. Let me see if I could flip the camera perhaps and get this to show you the picture.
Well, if you should be able to show your
Possibly
screen.
could
There's
hold it
a
up. Yeah,
share
let me
screen.
hold it up. Yeah.
There's a share screen option. We can't see that. So we need to see the share screen option and then put them up so everyone can see them.
Okay, looking for that share screen option right
It's
now.
at the bottom of your screen.
Yep. Share. Here we go. Screen.
Board Chair, I did receive the exhibit packet. I'm happy to display.
Oh, sure. Well, the city's attorney has your images as well. She has
Okay.
easy access to them. So would you share those for us? And sir, as she puts them up, tell us what we're looking at.
Yes, basically we're going to.
Wait. She has to put them up first. Let
Yeah,
her
yeah.
put them up. You tell
Yep.
us what we're looking at and tell us who took the photographs and when.
Displaying now the exhibits that appellant shared with the city.
Okay. If you could get to the images. Can you change the orientation? Okay. Mr. Salom, what do you want to tell us about these images?
Well, what I like to share about these images is this is often how the property looks before we do cleaning, in which we do cleaning on a regular basis. The images will show trash bags and logs and, car parts and everything else. So we're constantly cleaning and maintaining the property. So there are more images than that you will see. And there's often cars and vehicles parked there, maybe that belong to the shops behind us.
Okay,
So
Mr.
this is
Salami,
a daunting task.
I think you misunderstand me. You said you had images you wanted us to see. And
Right.
so as each image is displayed, would you tell us who took the image and what story it's
We
telling us?
Yes, we took the images, and these were taken shortly after receipt of the citation of the violation.
Okay.
And this is to depict that we clean on a regular basis, and often the trash is just dumped there again. And so I think in the appeal, we mentioned, when does the city do its job? I would like, if possible, to understand what the city limits are for cleaning the property, because there is
Well,
no
let me ask you
sidewalk
something,
here.
sir, because the
Yeah,
city isn't part of the appeal. The images that we're looking at, is this your property?
it is. It's the Point Breeze
And
side of the property.
where does your property line end?
Property line ends at the fence line.
And who owns the property beyond the fence line?
Where you see the grass,
Yes.
that's supposed to be a sidewalk from what we're told. That's supposed to
And
be a sidewalk.
and that would be your responsibility as the owner of that property, correct?
Yeah, but if it's not
Okay.
paved,
Well,
if
it's
it's
still
not
your
paved,
property. Now,
okay.
the image on the right, where you see the vehicle
Yep.
on the right, what is that representing?
Those vehicles are all vehicles that are parked there by, I'm not sure who. There's a bunch of businesses on the opposite side. I don't
Okay.
know who parks cars there. So, there's cars often blocking that area.
Okay. Do we have additional images to show? Is that it?
Yeah, just more images of the same stuff, just, taken at
Okay.
different times.
The issue is that you received a SVN, which is specifically related to a certain date and time. Do you have any images of your property that were taken on April 16th of 2025?
No, because because no one came in to speak with us about those. So no, we were not able
Okay.
to take images at that time.
Okay. Anything else you want to share with us?
Um, I would like to share information for, what we're trying to avert here is more of this. If whatever our obligation is, we're trying to live up to our obligation. And as a business that's been in the area for 41 years, and all we do is constantly clean, to be cited instead of someone just coming in and say, "Can we have a conversation with you?" That's what I think has us
Okay.
appealing
Well,
it.
I would advise you to have a follow-up conversation with the inspectors who wrote the violation, to
I
the
would love that.
department. Okay.
Yes.
But in
Yes,
the
please.
meantime, for today, what we're dealing with is specifically the matter of your appeal that you submitted, which was regarding the SVN that was issued on 4/16/25. So I
Right.
just want to know if you have any additional information regarding that.
No additional information other than sharing that we constantly clean and we can't keep up with it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Okay,
Because
thank
this
you.
area is called Point Breeze because the breeze is always blowing in trash. We can literally sit a lawn chair there and watch trash blow there all the time. So if we're going to be constantly cited for trash, anytime they come by, they might see a few pieces of paper blowing around because they blow around, around the area.
Okay.
And at
Okay.
which point, again, does our obligation stop? Do we have to sit there and man it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? That's the problem as a business owner.
Okay. Any cross-examination from the city?
No cross.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Any final argument from the city?
Yeah, so briefly, to the extent that appellant is challenging the violations and is seeking a remedy that the board can provide, the city would respond and argue that, one, appellant's not challenged the violations. He's admitted that the property, the section of the property that's cited on the notice is under his ownership and control. Under the Philadelphia Code, it is his responsibility as an owner to maintain that property in sanitary condition. It's required under the code. The violation concerns only only the conditions as they existed on April 16th, 2025. Any photographs from other days do not pertain to this particular violation, which is under appeal. The photographs show more than just a few pieces of paper. The
Right.
city's exhibit showed a lot of debris and trash. And like I mentioned, the appellant has a responsibility to maintain the exterior of the property. That before the board, the city would request a finding of city affirm.
Okay. Thank you very much. Any additional questions from the board?
Sorry, Chairman Woodson. Sorry, Lynn
Yes.
Riddle, Huber Board Counsel. I just want to clarify with the appellant. It looks like what he showed, what counsel for the city showed was maybe exhibits that were submitted at the prior hearing. I just wanted to make sure that you didn't submit any exhibits for today's hearing, like resubmit. It looks like you submitted on February 10th hearing. Did the appellant submit anything else besides that?
No, we have not. No, we have not.
All right, thank you.
We have those exhibits then.
Thank you. Okay. With regard to HA 2025-001871, 2519 Snyder Avenue, Antoine Salome. We will now hold a vote. City affirm.
City affirmed. You might want to consult with an attorney to see if there isn't some way to legally deal with protecting your property. I don't have an answer, but it might be worth a consultation with a real estate attorney. But my vote is
Yeah.
city affirmed.
City affirmed.
City affirmed.
City affirmed. City affirmed.
City affirmed.
Sir, the unanimous vote is city affirmed, which means you lost your appeal. You may appeal our decision. If you need information as to how to do that, please call the administrator. Someone there will tell you what's required to appeal a decision of this board. Thank you very much, sir, for your participation.
Okay, thank you.
Have a
I will
good
definitely
afternoon.
appeal it. Thank you. Yep,
Thank you.
take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, and witnesses are excused.
Thank you.
What's that next matter?
Really briefly, I want to call attention to number 28. The office received a last-minute continuance request for that case. That is
Okay.
appeal ending 3150 for 2122 North 57th Street, and the appellant is Remington Chase. This was a last-minute appellant continuance request due to a family emergency.
Okay, who's representing the city?
Mari Aquino on behalf of the city.
Do you have any response to that continuance request?
I did want to raise to the board that the appellant is not the owner of the property, but without the appellant here, I don't know how. you
So it
wish
may
to
have a
proceed.
potential standing issue,
Yes,
but for purposes of
for purposes of, yeah,
Okay.
no objection. It's the first listing.
we'll continue, and then if it comes back, we will advise you to deal with the standing matter then.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you.
All right, that matter is continued. Let's recall the case.
Yeah, that was where I'm going next. So this is
Okay.
going to be numbers 41 and 42. The appellant is in the room. I'll start with 41. That is appeal ending 3251 for 2223 South 63rd Street. Appellant Julia Martinez.
Okay, Ms. Martinez, you were previously sworn, so you remain under oath. Okay, so let's hear from the city. Where are we going?
So we have a joint continuance request for both appeals, and it is based on new information that we would like to investigate.
Okay, all right, so we have HA 2025-003251, 222 South 63rd Street, Julia Martinez. That matter will be continued. Number 42, HA 2025-003252, 2223 South 63rd Street, Julia Martinez. That matter will be continued as well. So both matters are continued. Ma'am, you will get a new notice in the mail regarding the next hearing date, okay? Have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
Okay.
That should bring us to number 39 on the list. Appeal ending 3240 for 1916 Tomlinson Road. Appellant, I'm going to spell the first name, ABDULR Azaq, last name Saify.
Okay, who's representing the city?
This is Maria Aquino on behalf of the city.
Okay, is anyone present representing Mr. Saify, Saify? Or 161, my apologies, 1916 Tomlinson.
Yes,
Okay, sir, can you turn on the video, please?
sure.
Okay, so tell us your name.
Abdulrazak Saifi.
Pronounce your first name slowly again for us.
Abdul Razak.
Abdul Razak. Okay, Saify?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. Raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're giving today will be the truth to help you God?
yes, I
All right,
swear.
thank you. You can place your hand down. Who's representing the city?
Just a moment, please.
Yes.
While I-
Just one moment, sir. Hold on a minute.
Okay.
Board Chair, could we move on to the next matter while I confirm where the city's witness is?
Okay, you are trying to locate your witness?
Trying to locate the witness.
Okay, Mr. Saify, the city has just asked for a temporary short-term continuance just so they can identify their witness and come back. So just hold on, don't go anywhere. Just sit there for a moment, okay?
Sure.
Thank
Okay,
you.
let's move on to the next case.
Yep, I believe that would bring us to number 57 on the list, which is appeal ending 3502 for 2445 North 20th Street, appellant Robert Pollard.
Okay, who's handling that matter?
Good afternoon, Michelle Reinhardt for the City of Philadelphia.
Good afternoon. Is Robert Pollard present? Robert Pollard. Anyone else present representing the interests of 2445 North 20th Street? Anyone present? 2445 North 20th Street. Anyone present? No one is responding. Let's confirm service.
Appellants in this matter listed 4937 Fairmount Ave, Philadelphia, PA on the appeal application. Notice of today's hearing was sent to that same mailing address on March 18th, 2026.
Okay. What's your pleasure?
We would request dismiss for failure to appear.
Okay, what time do we have?
2:18 PM.
2:18 PM. We will poll the board regarding HA 2025-003-502, 2445 North 20th Street, Robert Pollard. This matter is dismissed for failure to appear.
Dismiss 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 failure to appear. Dismiss for failure to appear.
Dismiss failure to appear.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, do we have another matter before we recall the previous case?
We do not.
Okay. Okay, well, let's do this. Do you mind? Mr. Quino, do you need a short-term recess?
Yes, please, just to have a brief conversation with the appellant.
Okay. Oh, is he? I don't see him anymore.
He's there.
Okay, so Mr. Safety Attorney would like to have a conversation with you. And so if you're willing, they will put you in a breakout room with the attorney. You're okay with that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's put them in a breakout room and we'll go off the record for about,
Should I-
it's 2:20. We'll go off the record until 2:25.
Thank you.
Okay.
Did you receive the prompt?
You should get a prompt for room 2.
Yes. Should I join?
Yes.
Okay.
We're prepared to go back on the record? Mr. Kelly? Okay, thank you very much. We will call the board to order. Okay, which matter are we dealing with?
It's number, yeah.
39?
Number 39,
Okay,
appeal ending 3240.
okay. All right, let's recall the case.
This is appeal ending 3240 for 1916 Tomlinson Road. Appellant, and I do apologize, I'm going to spell the name again, ABDULRAZAQ Safety.
Okay, all right, in the city, represented by Ms. Aquino.
Yeah.
Any announcements?
Yeah, so the parties are going to submit a joint continuance request.
Okay. All right, Mr. Safety, the city's has put on the record that a continuous request is be requested by both parties. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. All right, given that, we will continue this matter regarding HA 2025-003240, 1916 Tomlinson Road, Abdul Razak Safety. All right, thank you. That matter will be continued.
Thank you.
Have a good afternoon, sir. Any witnesses who are assigned to this matter are excused. Do we have any additional matters?
No, I believe that concludes today's list.
All right, thank you very much, everyone. For those who are viewing, that concludes our hearings for today, April 21st, 2026. Everyone have a good, safe afternoon.
Excuse me. Hello? Nice.
Sir, what's your question?
I believe I had a hearing for today also. I was representing 511 North Broad Street. I believe it's 509 through, I'm sorry, I'll tell you the exact. 511 Associates, 511 through 519 North Broad Street. It was a violation appeal.
This is the court reporter. I need to confirm, are we still on the record?
Just just hold on just for a moment, Mr. Kelly.
Right.
We'll let you know if it goes on the record, we'll formally introduce it, okay?
We are off the record at this point.
At this point, yes. Hold on just for a moment.
Thank you, Chair.
I do not have that property address on today's schedule. Did you receive a hearing notice?
I did. It was actually, I recently took over management of this property and it was just forwarded to me right before the weekend, if I can attend this. The previous management company submitted a appeal for this, but it doesn't look like they attached an attorney to it. So I just want to make myself present that, just give you, I guess, an update of what is going on and let you know.
North
But
Broad or South Broad?
Do you have an appeal number?
you know what? 1 second. I have, is it a calendar number?
Go ahead and read that. That's fine.
MI 2025 006070.
006. Sorry, 006.
070.
I know. I can look it up.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's all.
That is scheduled for May 21st.
Oh, beautiful. They
You
told me
have a
that it
whole
was
month.
today.
Nope, you're good. May 21st.
Mm.
If you could send the office an email just to put your entry of appearance officially to our office, that would be boardsadmin@phila.gov. We'll get you a hearing notice so that way you're good to go for next month.
Thank you. I'm going to actually have to, because it is a corporation, I'm going to have to put it through an attorney. I don't know why they gave it to me.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Kelly, you're fine?
Yep.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
everyone. Thanks for your
afternoon.
time.
Nothing for today. That's next month, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
We're done for today, Mr. Kelly. We will not be going back on the record.
Thank you, Chair.
Okay.
Thank you for your patience. Have a good rest of your day.